Okay, good morning, students. It is your channel Success Institute. Please subscribe this channel and press the bell button. I am Kalakrishna, botany lecturer. Today I am discuss about genetics. This is also called as principle of inheritance. Okay, genetics. Genetics is one of the branch of the botany. It is discuss about gene, inheritance, and mutations. Genes, inheritance, mutations. What is the meaning of inheritance? The transfer of the characters from one generation to another generation through the genes. It is known as inheritance. Okay. What is the gene? Gene is a functional unit of inheritance. Gene is a functional unit of inheritance. The gene word is first proposed by, the term gene was first proposed by Johansson. Okay. Here on the genetics, who was called the father of the genetics? Gregor John Mendel was called father of genetics. Okay, here today I will explain some terms of genetics. Terms of genetics. Terms of genetics. What are the terms? These are very important. Okay, here the terms. First one is allele. What is the meaning of allele? Allele is a pair of genes. A pair of genes or లేదా multiple pair of genes. Multiple pair of genes. The alleles are generally indicates the characters. Indicate the characters. For example, what are they? For example, tall character is indicated with capital D. Small character is indicated with small t. Here capital D, it is a pair of allele. Small t, it is also called as pair of allele. Another one is capital T, small t, it is also a pair of alleles. Okay. Next one is phenotype. What is the phenotype? It is very important 2 marks question for IP purpose. The definition of phenotype and definition of genotype. Phenotype means the physical appearance. The physical appearance of an organism is called as phenotype. For example, external characters. For example, we observed a plant, okay, that is, it is tall, that character is called as phenotype. For example, the flowers are white in color or red in color, okay, the character is called as phenotype. Outer characters, external characters. Okay, next one is genotype. Genotype means genetic makeup. Genetical makeup means genetical characters. That is called as genotype. It is very, very important 2 marks question for IPA purpose. Okay, next one is homozygous. Homozygous. Homo means similar. Similar characters are called as homozygous. For example, capital D, both are similar alleles. This condition is called as homozygous condition. Okay, next one is what is heterozygous? For example, capital D, small d, both are different. It is tall character, it is dwarf character. Both are different. Okay, this is known as heterozygous condition. Heterozygous condition. Here, Mendel selected which plant for his experiment? So here he selected pea plant, Pisum sativum. Scientific name is Pisum sativum. Why he selected that plant only? Here some reasons are there. Mendel selected pea plant only for his experiment. Why? Because there are some reasons. What are they? First one is it is an annual plant. It is an annual plant. Annual plant means which plants are complete their life cycle within short period, within the 1 year, like months, 1 or 2 months. That type of plants are known as annual plant. Because here the pea plant is an annual plant because it is easily for his experiment. Next, second one is it has bisexual flowers. Bisexual means both male and female reproductive organisms like stamens and gynoecium both are present in the same flower. The type of flowers are known as bisexual flowers because it is very easily to experiments because you selected pea plant. Next, third point is it is self fertilized easily. It can be self fertilized easily. Next one is it gives number of offsprings within short period. Number of generations within short period. It gives number of offsprings means new plants in short period. Because Mendel selected pea plant for his experiment. It is also very, very important 4 marks question for IPA purpose. What are the reasons? So here it is an annual plant. It has bisexual flowers. It self-fertilized also easily within the flower. Next one is it gives number of offsprings in short period. Because Mendel selected pea plant for his experiment. Okay. Next one is monohybrid cross. Mono means single. Mono means single. Monohybrid cross means Mendel selected two plants. The plants, the cross between one pair of opposite characters the cross between one pair of opposite characters, that type of hybridization is called as monohybrid cross. Okay, see here how it is possible. I will explain here. See here, Mendel selected one pair of opposite characterized plants. What are they? For example, tall plant. Another one is dwarf plant. Tall. Opposite of the tall is dwarf. Dwarf opposite is tall because one pair of opposite characters are there. Okay, tall pea plant. Another one is dwarf pea plant. Okay, here tall characters is indicate with capital T, capital T. Dwarf character is indicate with small t, small t. Okay, here both are there. Alleles are there here. One pair of alleles are there. What are they? Capital T is there. Another one is also capital T. Because it is which type of condition? Homozygous. Which type of condition it is? Homozygous. Both are similar because it is called as homozygous. It is also homozygous because it is which type of homozygous? Homozygous. Tall pea plant. It is homozygous. Dwarf pea plant. Homozygous tall, homozygous dwarf. Okay, here at the time of the pollination, only one type of gametes are formed. Here only capital T type means tall characterized gametes are formed. Here only dwarf characterized gametes are formed. Okay, the cross between which type of cross here? Not self cross. Cross pollination means here capital T, small t. It is F1 generation. Not self pollination. Here cross pollination between two plants. Okay, in the F1 progeny, in the F1 generation, which type of plant is formed here? Capital T, small t characterized plant is formed. Here capital T, small t means here both alleles are there here also. But here alleles are different. Alleles are different. What are they? Capital T is there, small t is also there because it is which type of condition? Heterozygous. Heterozygous. Hetero means different. Different alleles are there. Heterozygous. First character, what is that one is? Tall. First character is tall because this plant is called as heterozygous. Tall pea plant is formed in the first generation. Okay, heterozygous tall. Next one is in the F1 generation plant, self pollination. After the self pollination in the F1 generation, what is the meaning of self pollination? The transfer of pollen grains within the flower only. That type of pollination is known as self pollination. Okay, for example, it is heterozygous tall plant is there. Here that pollen grains are transferred within the flower. Because which type of gametes are formed here? Two types of gametes are formed. What are they? Here capital T, small t is there. The cross, the self pollination is there because capital T, small t. Two types of gametes are formed. Capital T gametes, small t types of gametes. Capital T, small. Okay, the fission of the gametes capital D, capital D, capital D, small d. Here small d is there, but we write first the dominant character, the capital D, small d. Last one is small d, small d. Okay. Next, another process is also there, that is Bateson-Punnett square. Bateson-Punnett square. The Punnett square is proposed by Bateson-Punnett. According to this Punnett square, this is square. Male gamete, female gamete, capital T, here small t, capital T, here small t. Write down here capital D, capital D, capital D, small d. Another one is here small d is there, but we write first the dominant character, capital D, small d, small d, small d. Okay, this is the Bateson-Punnett square. After the which generation this is? F2 generation. Already F1 generation is comes. In the F1 generation, self fertilization is completed. After the self fertilization, F2 generation is possible comes. Next, in the F2 generation, how many plants are formed? 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally 4 plants are formed in the monohybrid cross of F2 generation. In the 4 plants, see here, capital D means here, step of tall is there, both are similar. Similar alleles are there, capital D, both are similar, because capital D. Next one is here, capital D, small d, here, capital D, small d, here, small d, because how many possible here? See here, capital D, how many are there? Only one. Capital D, small d, how many is there? 2. Small d, how many is there? 1. This ratio is called as genotypic ratio. What is the genotypic ratio is? 1:2:1 is genotypic ratio. What is the phenotypic ratio? It is also very important. Phenotypic ratio. Phenotypic ratio means first phenotype. What is the meaning of phenotype? Already I had explained that one is. Phenotype means physical appearance, outer characters. For example, first letter indicates the outer character, second letter indicates the gene character. Because what is the outer character is here? Capital D is there. Here also capital C is there. Here also capital D is there. Because how many plants are there here? 3. Phenotypic ratio. Three tall plants. Only one is there. First letter is small d, because one is dwarf plant. Because the phenotypic ratio is how much? 3:1. Genotypic ratio is there. How much? 1:2:1. In the 1:2:1, first one is capital D. This is called as homozygous tall. Homozygous tall means both are similar alleles are there. Next one is, second one is, what is that one is? Capital D, small d is there. How many plants are formed here? 2 plants are formed. What are they? Capital D and small d. 2 plants are formed. Here the alleles are different, because this condition is called as heterozygous. But what is the first character is? Capital D is there, because these two are called as heterozygous tall. Heterozygous, tall. Last one is small d. Here both are similar characters. What is that one is? Dwarf character is there. Okay, this is which type of dwarf? Both are similar in alleles are there because which type of dwarf is there here? Homozygous dwarf character is there because the genotypic ratio is 1:2:1, phenotypic ratio is 3:1. It is very important for 4 mark question only. IPA purpose and NEET purpose, the ratio is very important for MSET purpose. Here what is this one is monohybrid cross is completed. Okay, the monohybrid cross is explained the law of segregation. Monohybrid cross is explained. What is that one is? Law of segregation. What is the meaning of law of segregation? Law of segregation means in the F1 progeny which are formed here, capital T, small t is formed. Both alleles are present here, but they cannot fuse one to another. They cannot fuse, the genes cannot fuse one to another. They segregate. Segregate means divide. They segregate into gametes. They divide into gametes to form number of another gametes. Number of another gametes. Segregate means divide. Okay, at the time of the F2 generation, F2 formation time, okay, the gametes are divide or segregate because the monohybrid cross is also known as law of segregation. It explains law of segregation. This is the monohybrid cross. Next one is Mendel observed in the pea plant 7 characters. Mendel observed in the pea plants how many characters, how many traits? 7 characters. What are they say here? Characters. Traits. For example, first one is stem height. What are the opposite traits? Opposite traits. Stem height is tall one, another one is dwarf. Stem height. Second one is flower color. Pink, white. Pink, white. Flower position. Flower position. Flower position is axial, apical. Axial and apical. Axial means, for example, this is stem, this is leaf. The upper angle between the leaf and the stem, this area is called as axial. In this axial, if flower is formed, that condition is called as axial. Apical means top of the stem. If the flower is formed, that condition is called as apical position. Mendel observed in some plants axial position flowers, in some pea plants apical position flowers. Next one is seed color. Yellow, green. Next one is seed structure. Round, wrinkle, round and wrinkle. This is seed structure. Next one is pod, shape, inflated అంటే నిండైన అంటాం తెలుగులో, ఇన్ఫ్లాటెడ్, కాన్స్ట్రిక్టెడ్ అంటే నొక్కులు కలిగిన అంటాం తెలుగులో, కాన్స్ట్రిక్టెడ్. pod color, it is green, yellow. How many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, Mendel observed the 7 characters in the pea plant. 7 traits: opposite, tall, dwarf, pink, white, axial position, apical position. Okay, seed color is yellow, green. Seed structure is round shape. Structure means here shape also. You should write here shape or structure, anyone. Okay, round and wrinkle. Okay, pod shape is inflated, constricted. Next, last one is pod color is green and yellow. Okay, these are very very important for NEET purpose and MCET purpose. Okay, thank you students. Okay, next class I will explain the test cross and dihybrid cross. Okay, thank you children.